Right now your brain is being held hostage. This is not a metaphor. If you feel tired an hour after eating, experience brain fog, or can't focus without coffee, you're under the influence of the most legal drug in history. But what if I told you that in 14 days your brain will literally be reprogrammed? In 2 weeks, your decision-making ability, memory, and even your anxiety levels will change beyond recognition. In this video, we won't talk about weight loss. We'll look inside your skull. You'll see how neurons begin to starve, why on day 4 you'll want to hate me, and what super reward awaits your intellect on day 14. Watch until the middle, there I'll reveal a fact about dopamine that will make you throw away dessert before the video even ends. Day 1. You're full of enthusiasm. But your brain isn't. Sugar activates the reward system as intensely as cocaine. When you remove it, dopamine levels drop sharply. Your prefrontal cortex, your internal director, starts losing control. Studies show that in the first 72 hours, activity in pleasure centers drops by 18 to 20%. You become irritable. It's not that you're mean, it's your neurons demanding the fuel they're used to. But the real battle begins on the night of day 3. That's when your brain will try to trick you using a mechanism called glucose hallucinosis. I'll explain it in a minute. Let's dig deeper. Why do we feel so bad? Imagine your brain as a noisy office. Sugar is constant shouting and loud music. To survive, the employees, your receptors, put on earplugs. This is called brain insulin resistance. When you remove sugar, silence falls over the office. But the receptors are still wearing earplugs. You feel apathy and fog. Sugar suppresses the protein BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Without it, your brain literally stops building new connections. You become dumber in real time when you eat sweets. Quitting sugar is like clearing the cache on an old smartphone. At first, everything lags because the system is rebuilding, but then, the speed skyrockets. Day 3, chemical lie. The third day is when 80% of people give up. The brain starts using a scorched earth tactic. A headache isn't an illness, it's your brain's way of forcing you to go to the kitchen. At this point, glycogen levels in the liver are at 0. The body is in shock. Where's the energy? This is exactly when the process doctors called metabolic flexibility begins. But at first, it will feel like you have the flu. Days 4 to 6, fog and switching. The strangest period. You feel like you're underwater. The brain learns to use ketones instead of glucose. It's like switching an engine from low-grade gasoline to rocket fuel. On day 5, the fog starts to lift in flashes. At one moment, you realize you've read 20 pages of a book without getting distracted once. Inflammation in your neurons decreases. Sugar was literally inflating your brain cells, preventing them from transmitting signals. Days 7 to 9, sensory explosion. A week behind you. Congratulations, you're in the elite. Your taste receptors have reset. An ordinary tomato now tastes as sweet as candy. On day 8, you'll notice your anxiety level has dropped. Why? Because your adrenal glands are no longer releasing cortisol to compensate for sugar crashes. It's like adjusting the focus on an old camera, the world becomes sharp and high contrast. Days 10 to 12, deep repair. This is where the magic of neuroplasticity begins. Adenosine levels, the fatigue molecule, now function properly. You wake up before your alarm and feel alive. On day 11, BDNF, fertilizer for the brain, reaches its peak. This is the best time to learn a new skill or solve complex problems. Look in the mirror. The puffiness in your face is gone, your skin is clearer. The brain sees this and gets a powerful, legal dopamine hit from success. Days 13 to 14, new firmware. The final stretch. You no longer want sweets. You look at cake like it's a piece of painted plastic. Your ability to concentrate has increased by 30 to 40%. Your memory is more reliable. But most importantly, you've regained control over your own choices. You didn't just quit sugar. You stepped out of a system that manipulates your attention. These 14 days are a demo version of what your intellect is capable of. If you've watched up to this point, it means your focus is already stronger than most. Which day from this list seems the hardest to you? Write day 3 if you're afraid of giving in, or day 14 if you're ready to go all the way. Subscribe. We're not just healing the body here, we're hacking potential. A new protocol every week. See you in the future.